Finally, today is the day you will be gone. Hey, good morning. So it's Tuesday. I want more sleep, and right now it's pretty cold. It's -1. I woke up a little earlier, but I'm gonna go right now to 7-Eleven because I have to print out something. It's something I gotta send to the research center that hired us. It's because I messed up on my flight receipt. It's the wrong day. Yeah, let's go. 기분 Yeah, I wonder what these are. There's a bit of frost over here though. Ah, frosty. Looks like it's gonna be fine. Good luck. Check this out. That lady in orange. There's the kids. Yeah, I never get to see the PTA, which is the Parent Teachers Association. I never see them because I don't usually go to the school this way. Alright, on to the school. Yeah, recycling. Okay, I was able to leave on time this time. But as soon as I exit the door, there's like these little kids who are like, play jump rope with me, please. So I did like once because the rope is way too short. Alright, let's see if I can make it to the post office. Woohoo! It's like 4:59. That only took like 6 minutes or something. Here's like the receipt type thing. Actually, I don't know what it is really. I think it is like a receipt, but it didn't write anything on it. So it looks like this. There's another half that you fill out, which Tenkyo Todoke, it's like relocation, notification of relocation. Most confusing thing is that I didn't move within Japan, and it says on their old address, and it's obviously is set up for Japanese. So I'm like so confused the whole time. But good thing I know a tiny bit of Japanese, and I was like, I moved from America though, and they're like, oh, okay, you don't have to fill out this big section of your old address. Just fill out the new address part. And then they said it'll take about 3 to 7 days to process, and it's all done. It was really fast. And then you definitely need to have your inkan or your stamp thingy, your seal. They're very nice. Hopefully Docomo can send me the stuff that they need to send so they don't cancel my stuff. Okay, bye. Yo, back home now. Check it out. I got some mail. It's mail time. I forgot what they said in Blue's Clues. This is from Japan Post. Oshirase. I think it's something about my cash card, but where is my cash card? I thought it would be in here. It's not. This one is from Tokai Gas, which is my gas company. I believe this is it. This is my very first gas bill. Wow, isn't that exciting? I'm really worried about my electricity bill because they send me a sort of a usage oshirase, which basically is like, we're letting you know this is how much you're using right now. But there's no like barcode or anything, so I don't know how the heck I'm gonna pay for it. This is like a deposit. I was like $100. What the F? And the cool thing is, I believe I can get this paid in a convenience store. So I can get it paid there. I got this in the mail. It's got a pink rose. It's like wisteria. That looks cool. I'm gonna show you my name. It's written in Romaji. If you could look closely, this is handwritten. Ibaraki-ken, right? Prefecture. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful handwriting. This is from my friend who is getting married in March. I'm gonna pop it open. One more thing about this. It's scented. It smells like rose. Wait, I guess that's why it's a pink rose. Alright, I'm gonna pop it open very carefully because I don't really want to damage it because it's super nice. Oh, that looks nice. So I got the schedule right here and a map. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Ah, it's all scented and everything. Look at that. Alright, I can't read things. The wedding will be held in Kyoto, which is quite away from me, but she's a good friend from a while back. This is basically like I gotta respond. It's all in Japanese. Oh, that's cool. One interesting cultural thing here, which I guess happens in other cultures too. It is pretty common here that when you get invited to a wedding, the common untold rule is that when you show up, you actually pay like an average of $300 worth to the couple, and I believe they will give you a gift, like a nice gift in return. In Japan also, you don't invite a ton of people. You don't invite like, ah yeah, 200 people show up to my reception. It's usually more of intimate event. I'm pretty excited that I got invited. All right, it's already like 9 p.m. Had a very long video chat with a good friend I haven't talked to in like a year or so. Guru Francis, you know you. I'm super hungry now. I'm gonna make some dinner. And yeah, bok choy. We're gonna put in some nira. Also making my last batch of natto. Yes. Let's see what this tastes like. Itadakimasu. Bok choy with sesame oil. Same thing as yesterday. Tofu, hontu, and some katsuobushi. Natto. Diet menu. Delicious. Guess that's it. All I'm eating for tonight.